I prefer over the original and no sugar. Flavor lasts longer. I've gone through many different flavors and types of gums in my lifetime, but this is easily the most juiciest and flavorful-est gum I've ever had. You want good popping bubbles? You got it. But you need 2 pieces. One doesn't cut it. Great flavor and lasts a while. Plus being sugarless. This is my favorite gum ever, hands down. It is sugar-free, has a great flavor and lasts a decent amount of time. I have only found a few stores that sell out in my area, so I was very excited to find this multi-pack. I'll definitely be recording. The sweetness explodes in your mouth. It is really sweet initially, but the sweetness goes away fast. Bright side is that you can avoid the sugar and save your teeth. Best of both worlds, I love it. So juicy and so sugarless. Tastes great, less expensive and easier to buy here than at the store. I love this gum, and these large pieces are super juicy and delicious. Always great quality and more affordable than a grocery store. Click link in description for more info.